Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back, everyone. Season's greetings, Heart and Hand family. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Again, today I am sharing with you the placement of the gala centerpieces. I made those a few weeks back and I did upload a video for those of you who are new to my channel. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can see the video on how I made them. Look, there's my girl, Miss Nita, in the corner right there. This is the lady, that's my Philadelphia connection, guys. So right here, I am setting up all of the centerpieces. All I'm doing is just unpacking and putting the lights in and making sure that all of the pieces to the centerpieces are in place. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and then tap the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. So guys, here is the result of the placement. What do you guys think? I think they turned out so pretty. And the video really doesn't do them any justice. You would have to see them in person. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. I hope that everyone has a safe, peaceful holiday. And I will see you guys on the next video, which will be one of the future DIY videos. Again, if you are new to this channel, tap that subscribe button. Then hit that notification bell to get notified that I have uploaded a new video. And guys, also don't forget to like and comment below. Let me know what you think about my setup of the Christmas Gala centerpieces.